no dust on my photo albums. I can't make it through the day without them. I've been stuck in the middle like Malcolm. AirPods only play early 2000s. Thousands of options to go. Offer concoctions of reruns and...
The Bilston Carnival is coming back to our hometown, and we are taking part in it this year on Saturday the 4th of July. So we're going to be part of the parade. We're going to have a stall at the end, and we're going to be in the parade as well. So if you can take part and you'd like to join us and volunteer and help out, then why don't you speak to Dan or Heather or one of the team so we can get you signed up for that. It will be a great time, a great way of reaching out our community as well. So do let us know if you want to take part and help with that. It's going to be a great fun day, I'm sure.
Tomorrow you a stranger, I don't know you. Where'd you cut your teeth? What high school did you go to? I knew yesterday from February we had to go through a lot of crazy things together, so I don't owe you, but I'm a blue version of myself down at the north.
We have got an event coming up called Soul Focus in July, and this is where we're having evangelist Mark Ritchie coming to join us to give us some healthy tips on our emotional and spiritual well-being. It's all about how to look after yourself and dig deep in looking after your soul. So if you want to come along to hear from the evangelist Mark Ritchie, then come along to that on Saturday the 18th of July from 10 a.m. till 12. It's going to be a powerful morning, and we'd love for you to come and be a part of that. You can find more details online or chat to one of the team.
Next Sunday will be the Father's Day service, and all the men are going to get a nice special gift, so make sure that you're there.
The weather almost every day. I fire up the time machine to run from the pain, but I can't run as fast as I used to. Feel a premonition deep down in my soul. Out of ammunition, gotta face it alone. The void of my condition finally taking its toll. I can't run that fast. I'm used to let down.
Kids, the Summer Club is back this summer from the 28th to the 31st of July with a brand new safari theme, Roar. Yeah, I know you can do a better roar than I can. Can I hear it? Okay, a bit quiet, obviously. But you can come along to that. The booking is now live and open on the website. So parents, get your kids if they're primary age in school, then they can come along. So make sure that you get them booked in so they don't miss out on all the fun. Don't forget, there is no Connect group this week because we've got an AOG zone meeting happening here Wednesday night at 7:30. And on Saturday, it's Together Festival. So if you're coming to that, get your tickets if you haven't already, and we'll see you there for that. Have a great week, guys.